guys, I'm Kat and you're with me at Teriyaki Boy, the newly revamped Teriyaki Boy here on Tomas Morato. And while you guys check out what's going on, we're gonna eat some Japanese food.
Here's to the new boy in town, Teriyaki Boy.
Hey guys, we're here right now in the new booths of Teriyaki Boy and I'm with Brian. Hi Brian, how are you?
Hello, hi.
How did Teriyaki Boy start?
Teriyaki Boy started back in 2001. It's just a family business with just one store. It's a small store in Madison. After 6 months of operations, we started growing by one store in Madison, then to Morato, then the rest is
History.
Yeah.
Amazing, that's really great. So now you guys are celebrating your 8th anniversary, right?
Yes.
Look at that, small business to huge business in 8 years' time. So what does this new revamp mean for the restaurant?
We put more anime and more fun with Teriyaki Boy, but now we try to put a new logo icon to get the appeal of the young professionals.
Okay, so tell us about this logo. It's the eyes from the little Teriyaki Boy, right?
The eyes of the young Teriyaki Boy. Some people interpret that as a mochi ball. Basically, it's the eyes of the Teriyaki Boy.
So what are the booths? Are they kind of shaped like the eyes?
The idea for this design was to make the middle as a focal point. This booth can give the customer more privacy. What we want to give the guests is a memorable dining experience. So we have a campaign which is a Tomadachi, and what we want to do is every customers are Tomadachi.
Oh, so everybody is your friend.
Yes,
Kinda
best
like that.
friend.
Best friends. Tell us about this Teriyaki Boy menu because you've revamped the place. So did you revamp the menu to go with it?
We revamped the whole menu. We added new items. We revised some of the old items.
What kind of new dishes can we look forward to here at Teriyaki Boy now?
We tried to marry Western cuisine with the Japanese influences. We have a item called the Teriyaki Boy Fish and Chips. As the name implies, it's fish and chips, but we tried to put Japanese flavors into it.
Yeah. What is the most popular dish that gets ordered at Teriyaki Boy?
Still the Teriyaki Boy chicken. We noticed the Teriyaki Boy Fish and Chips is also one of the best sellers now.
All right, well, thank you so much. You just got a taste of the new Teriyaki Boy, and you'll have to check it out for yourself. Arigato, Domadachi.